To meet California's target of installing 25 gigawatts of floating offshore wind energy by 2045, over 5,000 anchors will be needed to secure these massive turbines to the seabed, ensuring they remain stable through extreme wind, waves, currents, and the harsh marine environment for decades. Offshore wind in California presents many unique challenges. Ultra-deep water, sometimes over a mile deep, results in complex logistics, high installation costs, and requires the anchors to resist loads from all directions. Another challenge is seismic resistance. The extremely soft soils off the coast of California are at risk of liquefaction during earthquakes. On top of that, the traditional steel anchors from oil and gas are costly, carbon-intensive, and largely sourced from overseas. Sperra has partnered with leading research institutions, the University of California, San Diego, and the University of California, Irvine, as well as world-class industry experts, WSP USA and InterMoor. The project team has been awarded an Electric Program Investment Charge Grant from the California Energy Commission. The objective of this project is to develop and commercialize the next generation of concrete anchors specifically designed to address the challenges presented by California's wind energy areas. This is a necessary and critical effort for the successful and cost-effective deployment of California's clean energy future, which would not be possible without the essential support provided by the CEC's EPIC program. Sperra has developed two innovative anchor concepts to meet these challenges: the concrete torpedo anchor and the concrete suction bucket anchor. By leveraging 3D concrete printing, we can precisely manufacture customized anchors in U.S. ports using local materials and labor by utilizing advanced automated construction methods that eliminate the need for traditional formwork, significantly reducing production time and costs. In addition, 3D concrete printing allows us to incorporate numerous design features, enabling site-specific customization of anchors. This capability allows for the design of anchors to be easily adapted for a wide range of installations. The goal is to move toward the standardization of anchoring systems that are durable, cost-effective, and adaptable. So far, thanks to EPIC funding, Sperra and our project partners have gathered critical data on California's seabed conditions, allowing us to fine-tune the design process for our anchors. We're now in the preliminary front-end engineering and design phase, evaluating multiple anchor variants of both torpedo and suction bucket anchors to optimize performance, costs, emissions, installability, and more. In addition, during this project, we've successfully demonstrated 3D concrete printing as a feasible method for producing these anchors at scale while reducing costs and carbon emissions compared to traditional steel anchors. At Sperra, enabled by California Energy Commission's EPIC funding and our project partners, we're building a stronger, more sustainable future for California.